Right here, always keeping track of all things going on outside.
Yeah, this year for tropical season, hurricane season, we're going to see something we haven't since 2018, and that is an El Nino during the season. So that looks like it will be happening, and El Nino does play a role in how active or inactive a hurricane season can be. So we are expecting that to happen. That yellow line showing us an El Nino as we head into the meat of tropical season. And what an El Nino does in general is it means that we've got the eastern equatorial Pacific waters warmer than average. What that does is then increase the wind shear in a lot of the Gulf and Western Caribbean, which is less favorable for storms. So the outlooks are going to be coming out, and that is likely going to be for an at or below hurricane season. What is this? It's May the 4th tomorrow, so the sneak peek at the forecast. Warm and humid, mid-80s tomorrow afternoon. Tower Cam is showing us some clear skies, but we do have a mix of sun and clouds out there right now. 82 degrees, east wind at 11 miles per hour, and we are going to have a chance again for some storms, mainly at night, pretty sparse in coverage, but it'll be there into the weekend. You see the West Texas dry line kicking off some storms right now. That's going to be coupled with energy coming in from the south and west around a big upper level disturbance over California. So the way this West Texas dry line works is in the daytime, it tries to work to the east, and as it clashes with all the humidity in place, it'll generate thunderstorm activity, and then at night it retreats back to the west. So we'll watch that ebb and flow over the next few nights. I don't think we see anything tonight, but tomorrow afternoon, mid-80s, we'll watch out for the initiation of some of those storms out west tomorrow night. And you see how this model throws in a big batch of storms between Laredo, San Antonio, and here. Not all of them will make it, but some may. And then that happens again on Friday night. The dry line tries to work our direction. We'll see the initiation of some storms, and some of those again may work through the coastal bend. So again, it's not a high probability that we get storms every night, but the chance is certainly there for tomorrow night, Friday night, Saturday night, and on Sunday night. And I know we've got a lot of activities happening. The Buck Days Illuminated Night Parade. I've got us warm and humid and dry through 9 or 10 o'clock. That should get us most of the way through the parade, but we will have to watch for the possibility of some late night storms on that day, and also the Wings Over South Texas Air Show. We've got a lot of aircraft in this weather forecast. We've got the TIE Fighters for Star Wars, the Blue Angels flying over Corpus Christi, and we will have some morning clouds for the air show, but a lot of times the sea breeze will kick those inland just like today, so I don't think we have any major issues ahead of us for any of the weekend events in the daytime. It'll be at night that we've got to watch out to the west. Tonight, 72, mostly cloudy, mild and humid. Tomorrow, we'll top out in the mid-80s under partly cloudy skies. It will be very humid outside for Thursday. And then Friday, near 90 with heat index values up near 100 for the weekend. Don't see any issues in the daytime other than the heat. But again, at night, mainly overnight, we'll have to watch for the possibility of some of those storms coming in from the west. But right now, I think any and all events should be okay with the little asterisks of maybe the Buck Days late night parade for a chance for a storm.
Okay. See, he's keeping y'all covered here and in a galaxy far, far away. All the bases covered.
Fun, yeah.
Alan, thank you.